Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a repost on your TikTok account. It's actually quite straightforward once you know where the setting is. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the first thing we need to do is load up the TikTok application on your phone. iPhone, Android, doesn't really matter. Once you're in your TikTok application, you can go ahead and scroll through, find something that you maybe want to repost. Click on the repost button, click repost just down at the bottom there, right? And so what you want to do in order to find the reposts and then potentially delete them is actually head over to your profile icon, bottom right-hand corner. Give that a click. It's going to show you these kind of options down here at the bottom, right? So you've got this initial one, which is basically all the videos that you have. You've got the locked icon, which are your private videos. And then the third option is your repost. This is the two arrows that are chasing each other on the screen. So here you can see that there are 4 videos that are reposted. And what we want to do is actually go ahead and remove them. So we would click into the video that we want to remove and click on the little share icon. And then you can see at the bottom here, where this little yellow icon, it says delete repost. Give that a click and now it is gone. We can go back and you can see that now there are only 3 posts remaining. You can click on these as well. We can click on that, click on the share icon, delete the repost, go back again, for example. So you can see that there are now only 2 left here to delete. So we can click the last one, go ahead and delete that one too, get rid of that. And then of course we've only got the 1 left. But if you wanted to delete all of them, I can't see any functions here that let you multi-select from here. So you would actually have to do it one by one if you wanted to remove those reposts, as far as I can tell. Anyone else knows anything different, you can let me know in the comments down below. But ultimately, just click on the video that you want to remove, click the share icon, and then delete the repost. And that is it, guys. That's how you would go ahead and delete any repost that you have in the side of the TikTok application. If you found this useful and informative, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.